Happy New Year. Let's just start off by saying that. I don't know if it's going to be my first video of 2021 or my second video of 2021, but Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. I haven't really been feeling as great as I would want to be, but I am getting to that stage. I mean, I'm like 80% better, so you know, that's good. But yes, Happy New Year, you guys. We are manifesting new lives, peace, love, joy, happiness, everything, you guys. We're wishing in 2021. It's so weird to say that because 2020 was not really a bad year, but you know, some stuff happened, and we're trying to get past it and just move on and be better, be positive. So yes, thank you guys so much. I love every one of you guys, every single one of you guys. You guys have been showing me so much love on all of my videos. I have to say thank you so freaking much. Like, y'all don't understand. I don't think people really understand how much I love you guys. And I know, I mean, I tell you guys that, but I truly am so grateful that you guys have stayed tuned and actually watched my videos and stuff and liked them, and you know, it just makes me feel so good, so good. So yeah, today we're doing a nail video. So I asked Instagram to choose my next nails set. Okay, I bought 3 sets, you guys. I did 3 different polls. I think it's 3 or 4 different polls on Instagram of which nails should I get. So these are the first 3 nails that won. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how I even really thought of doing this. So I really love nails. The last time I did this nail video, it did really well, and I actually got reposted on Instagram for actually showing off my nails. And at first I was like, oh snap, she really reposted me. I did not know she would. I didn't think she would. I was just surprised, but she did, y'all, and it just made my day. So let me show y'all what she said. Okay, so these are the nails. You can literally... So I did a poll on Instagram and Facebook to see which nails I should get. The winners are Court, Baby Girl, Siren, Nike. Oh, I received the nails like I think a couple of days ago or a day ago. We are, y'all. Here we go. Here she is, y'all. Look how beautiful this is. Audio for your purchase. Don't forget to tag us and show off your new nails. And then she has that on there. So yeah, you guys, this is the card that was here, so I'm gonna put that right here, period. And these are the nails. Now I already did my nails already. I already cut them. The only thing I gotta do is put some alcoholic wipes on there. I will try to I don't want to file them again or buff them again. I just want to clean it up a little bit because I already did what I needed to do, honestly, for it. So I'm not gonna do too much. So I'm just gonna take these alcohol wipes. I will leave my information in the description box, her information too in the description box. Thank you guys, like I said, for showing me support. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna do Siren just because it's different and it's a different shape. I have never had this shape before, so that's why I'm going to be choosing this. So let's go ahead and get started. Enough talking. Sit down, relax, get your popcorn, and let's get this video started. Nails. I was struggling a little bit because I was like, which nails go where? Oh my god, which nails go where? But I finally figured it out, y'all, and this is pretty good. Look at it, like a fresh new set, baby, like a whole fresh new set. Look, oh, so cute. Let's put our cuticle oil on there so we can finish this video. But yes, y'all, ooh, ciao, honey, this is it, y'all. I think for like the placement of this video, I think I like the other position better because it's more structured, more handled. But this one, I just wanted to give you guys a different placement. But yes, Instagram chose my nails, you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram if y'all want to be able to choose my next sets, because I plan on like I showed you, there was the baby girl set, that one, and other ones that won too, so I'm gonna be getting those. But I will be doing another poll because there's other nails that she has that I want, you guys. That is the end of this video, y'all. Happy 2021, you guys. Happy New Year. If you like more of these videos, I would do more of these videos because it's just so fun for me, so fun. So yes, you guys, Instagram picks my next press on sets. Super excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. I love you guys for all of the support. Y'all make me feel like everything, and I'm so glad you guys have joined the family and you're just, you know, settling in. It's for you guys, it's free to join, be a part of the family, and just come and enjoy all these videos with me. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.